Hi, everybody. My name is Iole Lebensztajn. I am a certified Jin Shin Jyutsu instructor and curriculum coordinator of the Jin Shin Jyutsu Professional Practitioner Course. Jin Shin Jyutsu is an integrative healing art that involves the light application of the hands on specific locations of the body that will balance the flow of life energy. And today I am with Julia Millspaugh. She is a nurse planner of this course. She was a very important part of the team that developed this course. And I would like you to introduce yourself, Julia. Tell us about yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Julia Millspaugh. I'm a certified holistic nurse. As Iole said, I've been with this program since the beginning, since 2014. And it's a wonderful program. It's a 151-hour program with competencies. So it's 9 weekends over the course of a year. And it allows the students to learn Jin Shin Jyutsu over a longer period of time and be able to process and journal and be tested to really learn the concepts and knowledge of Jin Shin Jyutsu. So it's a wonderful program.
So you offer Jin Shin Jyutsu sessions and self-care recommendations for patients at the hospital, at the Morristown Medical Center, right, Julia?
Yes, I've been at Morristown Medical Center and Atlantic Health System for 9 years now. I started off as a nurse, a holistic nurse, offering Jin Shin Jyutsu to patients in the hospital, working with anxiety and stress, pain, and nausea if it's applicable. And really going almost everywhere in the hospital to work with patients.
And you also have a self-help research study at the hospital, right?
Yes, in 2017 we did a research study with nurses, teaching them Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help and measuring stress levels and caring efficacy with their patients over a period of time. And we found that stress went down and caring efficacy, which is how well they are relating to their patients, went up. So it's a very exciting study, a very important study.
Great. And in terms of being a nurse, what are the challenges of being a nurse nowadays?
So the complex nature of illness, the higher acuity, rapid turnover of patients and coordinating care. There are a lot of challenges for nurses these days. And so stress levels are very high. Being a holistic nurse, self-care is one of the principles and very important. And so it's essential for us nurses to be able to take care of ourselves, to take care of our patients.
So, and you just mentioned self-care. How do you think the Jin Shin Jyutsu can somehow answer this demand, this need of that we see nowadays?
Well, it's a simple practice. It's very affordable, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. I find myself holding my fingers in meetings that I'm in. And we start actually our practice council at the hospital with 5 to 10 minutes of Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help. So before we go into a big meeting, we do it. It's a practice that brings balance, and the more you do it, the more you can feel it and feel the results and see it and experience it.
Great. So this can support the nurses and all healthcare practitioners, not only nurses, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is stressing and challenging.
Obviously, it can help anyone in any profession, anywhere. Nursing is the profession that I'm in, but yes, can help everyone. And stress is everywhere. So it's wonderful for that.
So there is this aspect of taking care of ourselves, and also you can also learn how to take care of others, right?
That's right.
Yeah, and that's
practice it on yourself and practice it on others.
Yeah.
And being a holistic nurse, we're really looking at healing the whole person. So mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, environmental. Jin Shin Jyutsu fits right into that model. It's truly a holistic modality that addresses all of those things.
You learn about Jin Shin Jyutsu before we have this Jin Shin Jyutsu Professional Practitioner Course, and then how you feel that how different is having the traditional track and attending the 5-day class and attending the Jin Shin Jyutsu Professional Practitioner Course.
Yeah, they're both wonderful. I love the 5-day classes, and I love the Professional Practitioner Course. They're taught differently. The Professional Practitioner Course is taught in 9 weekends over the course of a year, and it really takes the concepts of Jin Shin Jyutsu and goes deeper and deeper with them throughout the course. And you have competencies. So I really appreciate that. I like going through a course and having to process or journal or take a test. It really helps me to learn. And I see that as a big strength of this course. Also, you have a cohort of people that you're with, and you get to know them throughout the year. And I think that really strengthens the learning. So I think the course is it's another way of teaching Jin Shin Jyutsu, and very appealing.
And being a nurse, how this course would be beneficial for nurses or for healthcare practitioners?
People are desiring to become more actively involved in healthcare decision making. They want a relationship with their providers. They want compassionate care. And this is a tool for a healthcare provider. It's very simple yet profound one that you can learn and share with patients and clients. It helps people to be involved in their own healing process, which is very powerful. It's a wonderful complementary modality. I think people are looking more and more towards, and we're really looking at prevention now. So Jin Shin Jyutsu is something like we said, you can do on yourself or to others, and you can do it at any time. You can have a label or a condition, but you can also be very healthy and not have anything at all. And you do it on yourself, you stay balanced.
Any disease is related to stress, or it is caused by stress, or it causes stress dealing with the disease. So Jin Shin Jyutsu helping us to deal with, to manage stress. It's really very important, right?
Yeah.
So thank you very much, Julia. It was very nice to be with you, and it's always so good to work with you.
Very nice to be with you, Iole, and nice to work with you. I hope everyone can come and join us. Please check out our website at www.jsjcp.com. You can find all the details for the course, the dates, the price, explains everything on there.
Yeah, the next course will be in September in New Jersey, right?
Yes. It
At
will
the
be at Morristown Medical Center itself, at the hospital.
Yeah, so working at the hospital. So if you are interested, check the links. I think you will enjoy. And if you have any questions, please put there at the comments so we can answer your questions. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you
very
so much. Thank you.
much, Julia. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Iole.